which subject can we say is the most difficult in phase 1 and phase 2 of RBA grade B examination? So if we see the previous year questions, the cutoff and the experience of the students who have appeared in the examination, I can say that in phase 1 GA is one of the difficult subjects because the level of questions is really high, and similarly reasoning is also quite high level questions are there. So these two subjects are of highest weightage and also the questions are of high level. And if you talk about phase 2, so no subject is easy although, but to score above 50 is a task in ESI, economics and social issues, because the questions are more of kind of, you have to use your experience in writing answers. You cannot directly write a theory, which is possible in FM or even in English. If you do your good creativity, you can write a decent essay and you can get marks in RC also, or Pressy also can be written. But this entirely depends on your own experience. Like, let's say there are students who are really good with reasoning, then you won't find reasoning that difficult, right? So you find out your own strength and your own weakness, because whatever is your strength, you have to play on the same. But whatever subject is your weakness, you have to ensure that you bring it to a certain level so that it does not remain your sore weakness. कुछ भी इतनी सोर वीकनेस नहीं होना चाहिए, बिकॉज डू नॉट फॉरगेट फेज 1 में तो आपका सेक्शनल कट ऑफ है, फेज 2 में चलो फिर भी चल जाएगा कि सभी में से क्यूमुलेटिव मार्क्स आपने लेने हैं, ठीक है? तो ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू 2026 के लिए. डू योर स्वॉट एनालिसिस एंड मुझे बताना आपको क्या मुश्किल लगता है और क्यों.